Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you are logged into your account. Now you will be led to this home page, and at the top right, you can see the option More. You can tap over there. Now again, you will be led to this kind of interface, and there you can see the option Swap under the category of Markets and Trade. Tap over there. Now this kind of page will appear. Now here you need to simply select the token that you want to swap. Here now you can choose the token of your choice. Now tap on the token that you can see in your toolbox. Now all you need to do is choose the select receiving tokens. Now you can see the rate over here. Now all you have to do is fill in the amount. Tap over here. You can see the conversion over here. If you have sufficient balance, you will be seeing swap option. You can simply tap on that and your crypto will be swapped. And this is how you can swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.